Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. It's Marina here, and for today I have prepared to show you a flip through of my new folio mini album. I decorated the folio with the Golden Afternoon Value Pack by Rosie Studio, which is a new release. If you would love to see what this value pack includes, then please stay till the end. This album measures 21 by 19 centimeters with room for a lot of photos. This collection has so warm colors and an elegant touch. On the left section there are some thick cardstock embellishments, and this flower is a clear sticker. Here we have these flaps that open like so. I put together bits and pieces from the kit to create some clusters, which turned out really nice. Same here. Absolutely love the colors and the golden touches here and there. The album has one page, but it's quite interactive and I really love it. Here is a side pocket, and these are some glisten stickers, really beautiful. So this photo mat holds the flaps in place, so at the front side of the page I haven't used any magnet. This is another clear sticker. Look how shiny details has this insert. On the back I made some collages. Here I used some frame-turned buttons to hold this big flap closed. I decorated this panel with a 12 by 12 cardstock from the collection. Here is a pocket. You can store a lot of memorabilia here. So let's move on to show you a quick flip through of the collection. The 12 by 12 collection has the same patterns with the 6 by 6, but in a more heavy cardstock, which is definitely much better for a mini album. These solids are perfect for any project, layouts, card making or photo mats, and they have an amazing texture that seems like canvas, and I like this very much. So guys, that was the project share for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please make sure to check out more of my videos. See you next time. Bye!